Hello guys, welcome aboard Apex Math. My name is Bino. In this video, we are given a triangle ABC containing 3 inscribed circles of radius 5. Since all 3 circles have the same radius, the triangle must be equilateral, which means each interior angle is equal 60 degrees. We focus on the bottom circles because that's where the real work happens. From the center of the left circle, we draw a radius to the point of tangency, which we denote with the letter X. And remember, a radius never misses its manners. Radius to the tangent equals perpendicular. Let's label the center of the left circle O and draw a line segment from point O to point B. Since this line is drawn from the center of the circle, it bisects the 60-degree angle into 2 equal angles of 30 degrees. We only focus on the 30 degrees inside the triangle OBX. Now, whatever geometry does on the left, it politely repeats on the right. For the right circle, we draw another radius to the point of tangency, which we label Y. Once again, perpendicular to BC. Let the center be P and draw a line from P to point C. Surprise, surprise, another 60-degree angle splits into 2 30s, our focus being on the angle inside the triangle PYC. The radius of the circles was given as equal 5. Now let's pause here for a second and look at these 2 triangles. Both have a 30-degree angle, a 90-degree angle, and a set length 5. That's enough information to say these triangles are congruent, which means one important thing, that BX is equal CY. Let's send the equality to the right. We now focus on triangle OBX to determine the length BX. The opposite is equal 5, so we have tan of 30 degree equal the opposite, which is 5, divided by the adjacent BX, making BX the subject. BX is equal 5 divided by tan 30 degrees, which is equal 5 times the square root of 3. Remember, BX is equal CY is equal 5 the root 3. Let us now bring back the bottom circles. Since we already determined that BX is equal to CY is equal to 5 times the square root of 3, we now have to determine the length XY. To get a clearer view, let us fade out the 2 inner triangle and the top circle. We now introduce a line tangent to both circles. At the point of tangency, the radius from center O is perpendicular to this tangent. In the same way, the radius from center P is perpendicular to this tangent at the point of tangency. Since both radii are perpendicular to the same line, they are parallel to side BC. This means that the distance XY is simply the sum of the 2 radii. XY being equal to the 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10. Finally, we can determine the full length of BC. BC will be equal 5 times the square root of 3 plus 10 plus 5 times the square root of 3. The length BC will be equivalent to 27,3. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the channel if you find this content interesting.